Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do lace stitch. So, all you're going to need is yarn and scissors and your hand. So, this is what it looks like. It looks lacy. And there's more holes than normal. So that's why it's called lace stitch. So, first we're going to grab our yarn and there's different ways to do it. I'm just gonna do the three-way. So we're going to start off regular finger knitting, one regular row, or I mean three regular rows, three-way. One, two, three. So in the third row, what we're going to do is we're going to go behind the middle and ring, and then we're going to go in front of the pinky, and then around to the back of the pinky, and then in front of the ring and middle. And now we're going to go behind it and around and back, and then just from there a normal row. So now it should look like this. 3 loops on each. Pull the bottom 2 on each finger up and over. Now when you pull the middle finger loops up and over, do it as normally, but the um, the middle loop is just going over the ring finger, so you're going to just want to pull it up and over as normal, but then grab this middle middle loop that was connected over to the ring finger and put it above the ring finger, the other 2 loops. Then we're just going to pull the bottom 2 loops up and over that loop, and then do that. Now we're going to repeat this 2 more times because it's a 3-way. Now go back and do it, and repeat this video slower speed if you need to. So again, this is probably the trickiest part. Just do up and then pull that loop over the ring finger on top of it. So first it was in the middle, now it's on the top, and then pull the bottom 2 up with that one. Okay, so that's our second row. Now we're going to do one more. Alright, so now this is what it should look like. Now we're going to do regular row, 3 regular rows, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now we're going to do that again. This is a very pretty stitch that is good for summer blanket, pretty that decor pieces, and it's just overall more holy and lacy than normal. So if you're counting, let me do it. This is my second. One more. Okay, so now I'm going to finish with 3 more rows of regular. Now, this is only for 4-finger finger knitting. It is not, you can't do this on 2-finger finger knitting, or one, obviously. But, okay, this is my third one. But, it just looks very cool and lacy and so pretty. Very elegant too. Alright, so this one is a connected piece to show it more, but this one I'm just going to cast it off as normal. So it's just a regular old cast off, nothing to worry about. Yeah, before you watch this video, just make sure that you have watched the cast off videos because this is a little more advanced. So just make sure that you already know how to do the basics. Alright, so now we just need to split it apart. So it looks like. So it'll be a little easier to see for this one. So I'll show you this one. That's lace stitch. So I hope you've enjoyed this video for lace stitch. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Get Crafters DVK. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure you also hit the bell for more notifications from our channel. Too. So I'll see you once again in another video, and I hope that you enjoyed learning about this lace stitch. Again, make sure you watch this video over and over again to master it, and I